Oh my god, this is unbelievable. Now, you guys will not believe the news about Clayton and Oblique Seville that is currently trending online. You guys will not believe what I saw with my eyes. But don't worry, in this video I will give you every single detail. So make sure to like this video and subscribe, because the breaking news is very interesting, and is very it will shock each and every one of you. So guys, but before I do that, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, this is the breaking news in details. Now, breaking news: congratulations to Mr. Oblique Seville and Clayton on winning the prestigious Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year award. The transition from the junior to senior level has been fascinating, and I hope to see you both continue to blaze your own trail. So the news in town right now that is shaking the athletics, especially in Jamaica, is Oblique Seville and Clayton are the winners of the Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year in Jamaica. Usually this award is normally given to people like Usain Bolt, Ellen Johnson Hira, Shelly Humphries the Fries, Sherika Jackson. But it's crazy how time flies, right? It's crazy how time flies, because now this these young upcoming sprinters are the one that are taking the award, which means there's gonna be war, guys. There is gonna be war, because you see these two Jamaican sprinters, they have a lot to unleash, especially this year, next year, and the coming years to come. They have a lot to unleash, and I really can't wait to see their powers. Let me hear your opinion. Don't forget to like and subscribe.